Jokanyo mawuok e pinje Afrika obagoromo mar twak kendo winjo duoko ewi weche mag arita kaluwore kod lwenje momako moko kuom pinje. Nyaka sani lweny osemako pinje kaka Sudan ma milambo, pinje ma imbo mag Afrika, Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Palestine, nyaka sani koro machiegni mar Lebanon. Jatend migepe Musalia Mudavadi manoyuoro e romoni wacho ni lwenjegi thothgi hinyo mine kod nyithindo, kabende owinjo onywak lwedo e chenro mag nyayo kwee kosingo sir mar piny owacho e ogirimiti mag pinje mago manyayo kwee kata National Action Plans.
Now, our own fourth National Action Plan, extending from 2023 to 2027, was developed in a broad-based stakeholder collaboration. Its key objective is to strengthen women's participation in the area of peace and security and thereby support efforts to build sustainable peace. Now, Finland and the Republic of Kenya, we have actually a long, fruitful history on 1325.
Kenya leads in sub-Saharan Africa in putting in office key persons in leaderships. I must applaud the government of Kenya for putting women in leadership positions to speak on matters security.
In Kenya and many African countries, women are included as key stakeholders in peace processes, with their voices being heard in negotiations and decision-making. I will assure you that Kenya fully supports this global agenda. We have already embarked on the development of Kenya's third National Action Plan, that is the NAP 3. This gives us an opportunity to leverage on our past achievement to define a more constructive engagement of women